Okay, we're checking out a Kenmore refrigerator and the ice maker's not doing right. So put a cup underneath there. No ice, some noise going on. We're gonna try something new. Take the refrigerator door, open it. We're gonna take the ice container out. Now we're gonna come down here. We've got some ice buildup right there. Not built up on the other side, but it's built up right there. Take something sharp. Okay, we're gonna clear out that ice. Now, I'm gonna put the ice maker back in. Make sure you check the top. See if that fits in good. Now we're going to check the ice maker again. Turn the cup underneath there. Oh, here comes ice. So the ice container wasn't sitting flat on the platform that the ice maker needs to stand on.